Thank you for watching this channel. This channel provides easy to understand about excellent books in Japan in English, and provides useful information for practical M&A design. This time, we will explain about sanitary equipment. We will start to explain based on M&A design standard book in Japan. We call Brown Book. Section 1, Sanitary Equipment and Faucet. The type of sanitary equipment, faucet, etc., will be decided in consideration of usage, water-saving effect, installation location, user convenience, etc. For example, if select WC for school, student to be used WC during the break time. So supply water load is concentrate only within the break time. Therefore, better to select flush valve type WC to minimize interval time. On the other hand, if consider home use, WC is not so much frequently used. Therefore we can select tank type and we can reduce the piping size for water supply. To select equipment to meet technical standard for each country. To consider standard layout details for each country. We put reference URL about standard layout detail in Japan for your reference. Toilet layout is relative culture of country and standard body size. So we shall carefully understand the technical standard and standard layout. We pick up some standard layout in Japan. This is for wash basin and urinal. This is for water closet. Water closet for wheelchair. Water closet with ostomate. Multifunctional toilet booth. About standard type of water closet. This blonde book is specified assuming public office building. So, this book mentions standard selection is Western type, flash valve and heating sheet. But if you design other type of building, you shall select based on the requirement and conditions. This is the photo sample about piping direction, flow and wall connection. About urinal, standard selection is wall-mounted type and inbuilt type flush valve. This is the image of urinal for wall-mounted and inbuilt type flush valve. Next, about multifunction toilet. We have to consider use of people with disabilities. Therefore, to consider automation faucets, ostomates, handrail and so on. This is the image of multifunction toilet. You can see automation faucets, ostomates, handrail and so on. Baby sheets for babies are also under consideration. It is intended for users who are raising children to use it as a place to change diapers and clothes. This is the image of baby sheet. When you select or spec in automation faucets, you shall note in the drawing which type of power supply considered. Because if select battery type, client required to change the battery. After handover the project, it's causing the trouble many times. And also, if select self-powered type, but we need to consider power supply wire. Because we short supply the power for just stating time or long time of condition. As of the general thing, we should avoid buried faucets in the soil to avoid contamination. If use hot water for sink and so on, single lever type is the standard from user-friendly. Pressure difference is major design trouble. As less consideration design, sometime we see the design the water tank top of building and hot water open type unit and tank near shower. If there is big supply pressure gap, hot water cannot be mixed properly due to the pressure difference. In that case, change the tank location, type or put pressure release valve. Sometime we use treated water for flushing. But you shall check the quality of water. Otherwise, it will get damage to fixtures. Next, we can consider toilet silencer. This is because women who care about the sound of defecation flush water during defecation to disguise the sound. This is a device that's saving water by making a sound instead of flush water. It is recommended to install it in case of office and the toilet next to the living room. Section 2. System toilet. System toilet is the prefabricated toilet. Normally there is lots of construction activity in toilet. If adopt system toilet, it can be reduce workload on site and make good quality. Generally, to follow manufacturer standard, an access panel is considered in the wall finishing. So clean out can be put inside unit and make more beautiful design. Thank you very much and see you next movies.